It is said that a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill the love of learning. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Meena Gatne from 9th B.
I am Dharma and we are gathered here on this special occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers are arguably the most important members of our society. They give children purpose, set them up for success as citizens of our world, and inspire them to do well and succeed in life. The children of today are leaders of tomorrow, and teachers are that critical point that makes them ready for the future. Now let us start this auspicious day with lighting of the lamp by Regional Director Dr. Jyoti Nair ma'am, and to be followed by prayer dance.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि विष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरवर्षिणि दुर्मुखवर्षिणि वर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषपोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनि पोषिणि दिविसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जगदम्बमदम्भकदं भवनं प्रियवासिनि भासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्गहिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैटभगन्धिनि कैटभगन्धिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
What a beautiful performance by our friends.
Music is the universal language, and it is always said that when words fail, music speaks. So now we have an instrumental song.
comment section. Thank you so much. I feel we can obtain knowledge from reading or experimenting, but I feel teachers make innumerable changes in the students' life because they have a bigger contribution to us to share their wisdom.
Now we have an inspiring speech on Teachers' Day.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। नमस्कार, मैं जोयल मेहता कक्षा 9 से आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर सभी शिक्षक गणों को सादर प्रणाम। गुरु बिना ज्ञान कहाँ, इनके ज्ञान का आदि न अंत यहाँ। गुरु ने दी शिक्षा जहाँ, उठी शिष्टाचार की मूरत वहाँ। वे गुरु ही है जो हर परिस्थिति में हमें लड़ना सिखाते हैं। जिंदगी में जीत जाना ही सब कुछ नहीं होता, कभी कभी हार कर भी बहुत कुछ सीखा जा सकता है। वे गुरु ही है जो कदम कदम पर हमें सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। वे गुरु ही है जो हमसे हमारी ही पहचान करा देते हैं। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन एक प्रसिद्ध विद्याविद थे। उनके सभी शिष्यों के निवेदन पर अपने जन्म दिवस को उन्होंने शिक्षक दिवस के तौर पर मनाना स्वीकार किया। इसी के पश्चात 5 सितंबर को हम शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। अ टीचर इज एस्पिरेशन, अ टीचर इज इंस्पिरेशन, अ गुड टीचर इज लाइक अ कैंडल who burns itself to light the way of others. A profession that teaches all other professions is teaching. A good teacher teaches, and a great teacher inspires. It's an honor for the students to have a dignitary like a principal in the school, who gives their constant inspiration, motivation, and maintains a healthy student-teacher relationship. It's a pleasure to learn so many things from you. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Now let us move on to our sweet primary teachers who enhance creativity, spread positivity, and make learning a fun. Their care, support, love, and pampering to the tiny tots make them feel like their second mother. Moving on to the secondary teachers who are somewhat strict. They help in the growth of a child's mindset and make them think beyond the content. With deeper understanding, it impacts the real world. As we know that in this pandemic situation, classes are online. So it's a huge challenge for our teachers to transmit chalk and dusters to digital screens. And it's a lengthy and a time-consuming task too, to upload files, teach lessons, take online exams and whatnot. A teacher is the most precious treasure in a student's life. The efforts and sacrifices of a teacher should be respected every day. गुरु ज्ञान दीप की ज्योति से मन अलौकिक कर देते हैं। विद्या का धन देकर विद्या सुख से भर देते हैं। प्रणाम गुरु को जो ज्ञान की खुशबू से जीवन भर देते हैं। इन्हीं शब्दों से अपने शिक्षकों को प्रणाम करते हुए शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सभी को धन्यवाद।
Thanks, Joel. I have heard music is the only medicine the heart and soul needs. So to experience this, let's enjoy the next song.
खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटी से बंदी हवा मिलके छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपना ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शमियाना आज है हमें सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है छम से बिखरे, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर। बह चल कहीं, उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां, तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी, ऐसे चख ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी, गर्मा गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिसका घर भी पास है, रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है, तू धूप है शम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जा तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
Thank you for an amazing song. Now let's welcome Mrs. Shilpi Agarwal for addressing us about teachers.
Namo Namaha. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to extend my heartfelt wishes of the day to all the teachers. Myself, Shilpi Agarwal, mother of Ashmi Agarwal from grade 10th F. Today, as a parent, I have come forth to express my gratitude to all the teachers. This Teachers' Day is special in more than one ways. Probably the first time when the celebrations are being held online. Who would have thought? But when the unexpected pandemic hit us in late March, things seemed bleak. Chaos, apprehensions, uncertainty surrounded us all alike. It was at this time when our dear teachers came forward and steadied the rocking boat. It is rightly said, teachers are like burning candles. They consume themselves to lighten the path of others. In this desperate situation of COVID-19 pandemic, it was the radiance of our brilliant teachers that guided us. Who would have thought about the success of online classes had it not been the support of our teachers? From taking virtual classes for the first time to facing technological challenges daily, the teachers have guided us well. Managing their own children at home to taking care of their school students, the teachers have done a commendable job. Words would fall short to express my gratitude to you, dear teachers. I am sure all the parents and all the children will join me in thanking our teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Today, we have a parent who is also a teacher in our school. So now, let's welcome Mrs. Monika Acharya to deliver a speech on this occasion.
Hi, my name is Monica and I'm in the pre-primary section. I always believe that a teacher never sticks to a tag of just being a teacher. Children look upon them in their early age as their second parent and feel secure around us. Later on, they act as their role model and take them towards the path of success. I'm sure you believe that there is a significant connection between a student and a teacher. A teacher discovers a valuable treasure that is present in each and every child. As a teacher, there is only one gift that I will give to each and every child. That is enthusiasm. Yes, enthusiasm. Enthusiasm to grow, to be responsible, to discover their uniqueness, and to be good human beings and shoot for the stars. I am proud to be a teacher and have a wonderful students as my asset. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ida, what do you like in music, instrumental or vocals?
I like all of them.
Just the way you like, we have a group song.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे। रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे। क्यों सोचना है जाना था, जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ, फिर बेसब्रियां 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 कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुकेंगे जब तक तुझे ये एहसास है जागीर तेरी तेरा खजाना ये तशनगी है ये प्यास है क्यों रोकना अब ये कारवां जाए वही ले जाए जहां बेसब्रियां 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 क्या ये उजाले क्या ये अंधेरे दोनों से आगे है मंजर तेरे क्यों रोशनी तू बाहर तलाशे तेरी मशाले है अंदर तेरे क्यों ढूंढना पैरों के निशान जाए वही ले जाए जहां बेसब्रियां बेसब्रियां बेसब्रियां
This was an amazing performance.
Yes, indeed. Now let us have another speech to know more on the topic Teachers' Day.
Isn't it really mesmerizing to know that even our Vedas have mentioned Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Brahma as gurus? And why have they done so? Why have they mentioned them gurus? A matter of thinking, but a very simple answer to this is a guru is anything and everything for a shishya. Hello there, this is me Ashna of 10th A, and I'm here to deliver a speech, moreover a letter, to all our teachers on this Teachers' Day. Now, we forget about something. We forget about respecting our first gurus. You know who? Yes, it's our mom and dad. We argue with them, we disrespect them. But what they have done for us and what they have taught us can never be expressed in 2 words, 8 letters. Thank you. So on this Teachers' Day, let's wish them, not with our hearts, but with a sweet presence in their lives. Now the most amazing thing right here is a mom controlling her 2 children gets annoyed and frustrated. But what about a teacher? A teacher can control 40 children at one time without even losing a bit of patience. That's really a hats off to them. When we are asked who's our fave teacher, always answer that our recent teachers are our favorite or our secondary teachers are our favorite. But we forget about someone. Yes, we do forget about someone. We forget about our pre-primary KG teachers who have taught us to talk, to understand the world, to love people. And moreover, they're our childhood first best friends. I would like you to ask one question, a very simple one. Who is a teacher? Someone who uploads worksheets on MS Teams? Or is it someone who pulls an all-nighter to make a presentation for the students? Or is it someone who really makes the studying boring and says that just study, study, study? If you're thinking about any of these, then you're wrong. Because a teacher is someone who cracks jokes during the lectures, plays interesting quizzes, and controls 80 children virtually. That's really amazing. Even during this corona pandemic, they didn't give up. They didn't say that no, we can't do this. And that's what keeps me going. I promise to all my teachers and sir someday that I will make you proud. Hats off to all the teachers and sir of this world. Happy Teachers Day. We love you. Thank you.
Dharma, do you like dance?
I don't like dance, but I like watching it.
So hereby presenting the finale dance by our schoolmates.
सपना जहां दस्तक न दे, चौखट थी वो आँखें मेरी, बातों से थी तादाद में खामोशियाँ ज्यादा मेरी। जब से पड़े तेरे कदम, चलने लगी दुनिया मेरी। मेरे दिल में जगह खुदा की खाली थी, देखा वहाँ पे आज तेरा चेहरा है। भटकता हुआ सा एक बादल हूँ, जो तेरे आसमां पे आके ठहरा है।
ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने ऐसे दिया जो दिया। ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही फूल तू ही छाँव तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानूं बस इतना ही जानूं। तुझ में अब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में अब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे में सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में अब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
After this wonderful dance, I would like to thank all the dignitaries, teachers and my fellow friends for helping us and making this event successful one in this pandemic situation. I would like to conclude my vote of thanks by saying, good teachers are like candles. They consume itself to light the way for others.
Last but not the least, wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you and have a nice day.